I am starting with my NY Bay concealer. Now blend it properly with beauty blender. I am going to use dark brown shade of my palette, just applying the shade to my above eyebrow crease. Now I am cutting my crease with concealer. Now again blend the concealer properly. I am taking the basic brown shade of my palette, blending the shade over my above eyebrow crease. Using this white eyeliner from Bella Wash Day, I am taking the cream shade, applying it to my eyelid. Now be very patient and one by one make the shape carefully and gently. Now I am going to make a bow for a creative look, and it is really very easy to make. Dotting the white eyeliner to my above crease area. This time here again I am creating the dots with red lipstick. Taking more dark brown shade for my upper eyelids. Using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 220. Applying it all over my face. Just properly blend the foundation with beauty blender. Here I am concealing my forehead, my nose area, my upper lips and my chin area, covering my dark spots and my under eyes. Now I am contouring my face, applying it to my cheekbones, forehead, nose and my jawline area, blending it properly with beauty blender. Now again I am concealing my nose for highlighting it. I am using Pond's white tone powder for baking my face. After 2-3 minutes brushing it off. Taking black eyeshadow for doing my eyebrows. Using light pink shade blush from SFR. Taking this peach blush from La Girl. Taking this brown shade for highlighting my face. Like bridge of my nose, above the cupid's bow, center of your chin, high point of the cheekbone. Using this matte ink lipstick from Maybelline. It's very long lasting.
Here I am applying rose pink eyeshadow for highlighting inner corner of my eyes. Using this lip gloss for making my lipstick more glossy.